Okay, good morning. Good morning. This is CBS. This is CBS. It's 41%. Hmm. Okay. Good morning. It's 5 a.m. Eastern Time in New York City, and this is the Benzinga Early Show. Checking the S&P futures right now, up 13.50. The Dow futures up 139. NASDAQ is up 27.50. Crude is up more than $2 now at 71.10 following the U.S. withdrawal from the Iran nuclear deal. Gold is down $7.40 at 1306.30. Bitcoin futures down 105 at 91.15. Checking the economic data coming up this morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. We have MBA mortgage applications at 8:30. The PPI for April at 10 a.m. Wholesale inventories for March at 10:30. Crude and gasoline inventories at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The 10-year note auction, and at 1:15, Fed's Bostic will be speaking. Earnings ahead of the open today from ADT, BUD, Anheuser-Busch InBev, COTY Cody, DLPH Delphi Automotive, EBIX Ebix, ECYT Endosite, GRPN Groupon, HZNP Horizon Pharma, MYL Mylan, ODP Office Depot, PLUG Plug Power, SINA Sina, VSI Vitamin Shop, WB Weibo, WWW Wolverine Worldwide. After the close today, we have Roku, ROKU, also FOXA 21st Century Fox, SIEN Sientra, RKDA Arcadia Biosciences, PIRS Pyrrhus Pharmaceuticals, TRNC Trunk, AQMS Aqua Metals, AXDX Accelerate Diagnostics, COLL Collegium Pharmaceutical, ACRX Accelerix, ALSK Alaska Communications, ANGI Angie's List, ATUS Altis, BOLD Audentes Therapeutics, CARA Cara Therapeutics, CPRX Catalyst Pharmaceutical, CTL CenturyLink, DNB Dun & Bradstreet, FRSH Papa Murphy's, FTEK Fuel Tech, FMC Technologies FTI, IAC Interactive, KODK Eastman Kodak, MELI Mercado Libre, MNKD Mankind, NUAN Nuance Communications, NVAX Novavax, OTEX Open Text, PBYI Puma Biotech, SYNC Synacor, TWNK Hostess Brands, WKHS Workhorse, ZGNX Zogenex. Today's IPOs: EVLO, Echo, Victor, Lima, Oscar, Evelo Biosciences, 15.3 million shares priced at $16 per share, and OBNK, Oscar Bravo November Kilo Origin Bancorp, 3.6 million shares priced at $34 per share. WMT Walmart. Reuters reporting again this morning that Walmart to buy a 75% stake in Flipkart for $15 billion. That's Whiskey Michael Tango. Vodafone VOD, Victor Oscar Delta, and Liberty Global, LBTYA, Lima Bravo Tango Yankee Alpha. Vodafone to acquire Liberty Global's operations in Germany, the Czech Republic, Hungary, and Romania for an enterprise value of 18.4 billion euros. That's Victor Oscar Delta and Lima Bravo Tango Yankee Alpha. Checking shares of Vodafone in the pre-market, 28.92. That's up 36 cents from yesterday's close. That's Victor Oscar Delta. Liberty Global, LBTYA, trading at 32.44. That's up $1.29 now in the pre-market. TSLA Tesla, Tango Sandy Lima Alpha. Tesla trading at 303.50 in the pre-market. Closed at 301.97 on Tuesday. Reuters reporting that Tesla has put up its Fremont, California factory as collateral to boost liquidity. Tesla changed the terms of its borrowing agreement with banks, pledging its Fremont facility as collateral. That's Tango Sandy Lima Alpha, 303.50 now in the pre-market. AAPL, Apple, Alpha Papa Lima, 9 to 5 Mac, reporting this morning that Apple is removing apps from its app store that share location data with third parties. Says Apple is cracking down on these types of applications. Shares of Apple at 186.69 in the pre-market. That's up 64 cents. That's Alpha Papa Lima. ON Oscar November on Semiconductor acquiring Sensel Technologies Limited. Terms of that deal were not disclosed. That's Oscar November. RDSA, Royal Dutch Shell, Romeo Delta Sandy Alpha, leading a group of investors with a $7.6 million investment in energy storage startup Axiom Energy. That company serves grocery stores and cold storage facilities. IQ, India, Quebec. IQ announcing a 3-year deal with Filmation Entertainment. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. Filmation Entertainment is a U.S. independent film production and international sales company. IKEA will have exclusive VOD rights to all Filmation films for the next 3 years in mainland China. That's India, Quebec. IKEA closed at 16.72 on Tuesday, not yet trading in the pre-market. JAZZ, Jazz Pharmaceuticals, agreed to pay $57 million to resolve a U.S. investigation financial support of charities that offer assistance to Medicare patients. That's Juliet Alpha Zulu Zulu. The financial support included assistance to Medicare patients to help them cover out-of-pocket drug costs. That's Juliet Alpha Zulu Zulu. Jazz closed at 147.56 on Tuesday, not yet trading in the pre-market. PPL Corp, Papa Lima. PPL priced a 55 million share offering last night at $27 per share. PPL entered into forward sale agreements with affiliates of JP Morgan and Barclays, under which PPL agreed to issue and sell to forward counterparties 55 million shares of its common stock. That's Papa Lima. PPL trading at 27.45 in the pre-market, where it closed on Tuesday. That's PPL Papa Lima. Some comments out of Iran this morning regarding President Trump's withdrawal from the Iran nuclear deal. Iran's supreme leader saying that Trump has made a mistake. Trump had more than 10 lies in his speech. Trump's speech was silly and superficial. Those comments coming out of Iran. Russia's Lavrov and Germany's foreign minister to discuss the Iran nuclear deal situation in Moscow. Lavrov says Russia is committed to the Iran nuclear deal, that reported by Interfax. EU says will remain committed to the continued full and effective implementation of the Iran nuclear deal. Says will ensure sanctions on Iran remain lifted as long as Iran meets its commitments. France and its European partners will do everything in conjunction with their businesses to protect interest. Crude spiking following the announcement of the withdrawal from the Iran deal. Crude currently at 71.12, now at up $2.06. That's just off the highs for the day. France's foreign minister says the Iran deal is not dead. Now, I'll follow up on that Walmart report. SoftBank's son confirms that Walmart to acquire India's Flipkart. Deal was sealed on Tuesday night, Japan time. That's Whiskey Michael Tango. Walmart Walmart not yet trading in the pre-market, closed at 85.74 on Tuesday. Whiskey Michael Tango. That's the Benzinga early show for today. Tune in to the Benzinga TV YouTube channel at 8 a.m. this morning for the Benzinga pre-market prep with Dennis and Joel. I'll be with you throughout the day on the Benzinga Pro Squawk, and also if you are a Thinkorswim or Ameritrade customer, you can hear me as well on those platforms. This is Benzinga Charlie. See you later.